how to buy President Elon Musk token. So this token came under the symbol of PM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Found your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description now. Before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, this was from the REFERRAL account. If you can read this, as you can see, you will be able to see a new listing alerts on WEEX. So in case you don't have an account on WEEX, go down in description. You will be able to find a referral link on WEEX. Go and create an account on it and fund it with some USDT. So after the 16th of this month, you will be able to buy this token on your WEEX account. So as you can see, we are excited to announce the upcoming spot listing of PM President Elon Musk on WEEX. So listing time, it's 2025 to February 16. So register on WEEX. Okay, so and details we will be able to find it there. So as you can see, this is how to buy PM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.